you have some time here to execute on what you want to do. So, quick glance, this is pretty bad. EPS was not good. They beat on revenue. I'll give you the numbers in a second. I don't have numbers yet for DAUs or MAUs, but what I'm hearing is earnings per share came in at $1.64 versus an estimated $1.89. That's a significant miss. That's a big problem. The other piece of this as well is the revenue came in at 27.71 billion against an expected 27.38. So good news, they beat on revenue. Bad news, that earnings per share was absolutely abysmal. I think we're still waiting for some active user numbers here. Look, here's the bottom line. Meta's going to be faced with a few major challenges. Number one, ad spend is going to be down across the board. Number two, they're dumping tons of money into metaverse-related projects without any sort of return or even near-term return. So I think that there's going to be some considerable issues here. We already know the stock is down some 62% of the year, but now it's down even low. I just actually got a real live update. It's at 121.20 now per share. Not good. So we also see Bank of America hit them with a downgrade. I think we already knew that. Reels looks like it is doing okay, slightly increasing in growth. But overall, this is not great. We're waiting for more word here to find out some additional details. I'll hit everyone up again here. But basically, the other problem here that's going to be particularly concerning is they're also calling for, team, I'm reading fresh as it hits the paper here. Shares are dropping heavy because weak fourth quarter forecasting is coming down the pipeline as well. I'm on my phone, so I see the comments coming through, but I can't type on here, but I do agree with you. I think Mark might have put himself in a tough position here. So that's what I've got so far. I think we are looking at a pretty rough beat here in a couple of different places. This miss on earnings was really bad, but the bigger issue is going to be the fact that they're already calling for a bad Q4 forecast. That's not good. So this is a sign, I think, in general, that we're looking at continued pressure on the ads. I just saw a comment come across too, and team, apologies, I'm on my phone. That $100 target price before entering, you know what? It could come to fruition here. If they continue to see this kind of pressure with the spending they're doing in the metaverse without a return in the near term, I think we're looking at a significant issue here. So that's it. I'm going to jump. Once I have more news, I'll try to hit with another live update later. But Sophia, just a great call at number one. Sophia's amazing and my biggest fan I've heard. But what I want to say there, though, is I think we all expected it. It's a question of why are they not doing something to fix it while also putting more money behind the project. It's okay if they do, but they have to also make sure that there's some sort of guidance onto what it's going to look like when we're going to get results. That's what we have to see. So team, thanks so much for jumping on. Just a quick 3 minutes here. I'm going to pop off and get back to work. I'll talk to everybody later. Thanks so much.